How to delete Shopee comment. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to delete Shopee comment. You have to open the Shopee website and log in to your account. Scroll down and click on any product to open the details. Scroll down the details of the product and you will find product ratings. In the description of any product, you will find specifications and ratings. To delete any comment, tap on the three dots at the end of the comment. Click the Report Abuse button and it will be removed from the reviews. So that is exactly how to delete Shopee comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.